अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। आज की वीडियो में हम ट्रांसपोर्ट इन प्लांट्स एंड इम्यूनिटी के हवाले से जो है वो प्रोविंशियल एमसीक्यूज़ को डिस्कस करेंगे। डिफरेंट स्टूडेंट जो हैं डिफरेंट बोर्ड से तकरीबन अबाउट 20 to 25 स्टूडेंट हैं जिनकी एक टीम है, वो ये एमसीक्यूज़ बनाते हैं और देन जो है ना एक पीडीएफ की फॉर्म में कंपाइल किया जाता है और देन आप लोगों से शेयर किया जाता है। सो मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है आपके लिए, आपने वीडियो को अच्छे से देखना है और यहाँ पे आपको सिर्फ आंसर्स बताए जाएंगे। अगर आपको इनके सोल्यूशन चाहिए तो वो आप हमारे फेसबुक पेज पे देख सकते हैं। वो आपको फेसबुक पेज कैसे मिलेगा वो मैं आपको सब एंड पे बताऊंगा। सो वॉच द वीडियो टिल द एंड, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। मेरे पास ये पीडीएफ की फॉर्म है और आपको पीडीएफ ये मिल जाएगा, सो डोंट वरी एंड लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। इस ग्रुप की जो एडमिन है दैट इज़ फातिमा क्वीन एंड now we have MCQs of Team Punjab. Let's start with these MCQs. Which of the following cell is involved in cell mediated immunity? So that is T cells. Okay, now let's move to the next one. Which of the following statement is true about passive immunity? So that is D, all of the above. What are these? This immunity causes reactions, this immunity develops immediately, and this immunity lasts only for a few weeks or a month. B cells and T cells are two types of cells involved in, so that is acquired immunity. Which of the following immunity is present from our birth? So that is innate immunity, जो कि आपके birth से start हो जाता है. Which of the following system protect our body against disease causing agents? So that's disease causing, you can say that microbes. So that is the option immune system. Which of the following immunity is called the first line of defense? So that is innate immunity is called as first line of defense, like skin, respiratory, you can say that surfaces and digestive surface, etc. The root cell walls, water immunite water, I think so, that's a mistake there, from soil, and this water moves by, so that's all of these: vascular pathway, symplast pathway and apoplast pathway. Which cells supply ATP and proteins to sieve tube cells? So that is companion cell. Total number of disulfide bridges between light chains is, so that is A option, 0. Cyclosporin given while kidney transplant ESRD performs opposite action of, so that is T cells. Now the next team sin MCQs. The pores through which water comes out in the form of drops, so that is option B, hydrothods. Okay, which one receive a booster shot when one receive a booster shot for a polio? Which type of cells is most stimulated? So that is memory cells, because they act for a future, you can say that immune cells. Casparian strips are present in, so that is endodermis, clearly mentioned Federal Board textbook chapter number 10, first year. The stomata are closed on temperature, that is 45. Antibodies combined with antigens, that is at variable regions. When one receive a booster shot for polio, which type of cells is most stimulated? So that is memory cells. Repeated MCQ. The point when cytoplasm just start to separate from the cell, so that is incipient plasmolysis. Guard cells differ from adjacent epidermal cells in having chloroplast. Stomata open due to dash of potassium ion into guard cell, so that is active transport. Apoplast pathway can take water up till, you can say that, endodermis. Transport of food material in higher plants occurs through several elements, that you can say that by hydrostatic pressure. The exudation of xylem sap drops on the edges of leaves is called as, that is glutation. Okay, not you can say that transpiration. Sometimes students can get confused with this one. The movement of material from the leaves to the other tissues of the plant is called as translocation. Now team Farrell MCQs. Glutation is a result of root pressure. Vessels are conducting a unit of angiosperms, so these are xylem vessels. A person with AB blood group has type, you can say, both A and B antigens on the surface of the red blood cell, and there is no antibodies on this one as well. Vasodilation is triggered by histamine. Okay, reverso, that will be the reverse transcriptase in an enzyme found in B lymphocyte. Which of the following autoimmune disease except, so that is juvenile diabetes? All of the following are part of first line of defense of the immune system except, so that is leukocytes. All the following are true of the second line of defense except, so that is option D, phagocytosis. Stomach acid is a way of preventing germs from getting into the body. It is the part of first line of defense. The other choices are all part of the second line of defense. All choices are part of immune system non-specific strategy. So that's the explanation of the MCQ as well. A person with blood group A has a type, has, you can say that, A antigen on the surface of the red blood cell. Now team Balochistan MCQs. The water tension in xylem is strong enough to pull water up to, so that is 200. The loss of water in the form of water vapors through the surface of leaves is called as cuticular cuticular transpiration, about -% of the total transpiration take place through this route, so that is 5 to 7%. The guard cell function as multi-sensory valves, so that is D option, hydraulic. The rate of transpiration double by every rise of dash C in, you can say this talking about temperatures, that is 10 centigrade, are detected in the valves of heart, cause a condition called as heart murmur. Okay, antibodies is involved in, so that is third line of defense. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching the video. Now let's talk about the group. That is the group name as nmdcat preparation 2022. You can join this group for mdcat mcq discussion. You can find a lot of mcqs there, and daily about, you can say that 1000 mcqs discussion by different members of group, admins and moderators. So you can practice mcqs there. Number of student about 47 to 48,000 students are there, and about, you can say that 30,000 students are online, about, you can say 18 hours per day. Okay, so will be very helping for you people, so must join this group. Thank you so much for watching the video. Till the next video, take care. Take care, and Allah Hafiz.